Hello traders, in this video I will talk about Forex news websites. I try to order all these websites by the time that I consume on them. So this is my preferable choice. So I hope that you will enjoy. So my first choice is a Forex Factory. I like this website because it's simple and very fast. And as you can see on the forexfactory.com/news, you will see the latest stories. And I will just refresh right now the page, and you can see there is a article just published 6 minutes ago. So every few minutes you have a new article. The website is good when you have important news, important economic news. And I like maybe after a couple minutes after some important news just to go to Forex Factory and see what they want to tell me. Are there anything that I just missed? Sometimes in the news I just do not see some numbers, something happens. I like this. Very fast, very good, very simple. Of course, you can use the calendar, you can check the market, etc. etc. The number 2 of my choice is DailyFX.com. This is the first Forex website that I used. I was very active on this website. I think maybe 15 years ago. So this is old website, good website, and the thing that I like, everything is connected here. For example, on the left side you have a news and analysis, then you have analyst picks and the economic calendar. So the good thing is, when you want to see some recommendations, some interesting fact, you just go there and see analyst picks, and here, except the news, you can see why these traders have this kind of opinion. The good thing on DailyFX is not just about technical analysis. So the traders use the technical and fundamental analysis, and they will tell you why they think that in next 2 weeks, 1 week, 3 weeks, something happened. And I like this because you can create some trade that can be valid, some swing trade, maybe couple weeks, and that can be maybe good for you. The good thing is you have traders that trade, for example, couple days only, short time trades. You have a really a lot of analysts, a lot of ideas, and when you just visit that page, you have some kind of ideas, calendar, charts, explanation about some bullish or bearish bias, etc. But just to back to the news, you have a real-time news. This is the option that's very good for traders. Usually when I monitor the news for some important events, I'm here. So important events, I'm here. Why? They're very fast. In the same second you will see the results, and the good thing is you will see the comment just a couple seconds after that. They have a valid Twitter account. They just share everything. They prepare you for important news, put some kind of comment. Sometimes they open my eyes better than myself for some kind of important economic news, because sometimes they just publish a lot of numbers and you cannot think so healthy. But when the experts see all that numbers and put couple sentences and justify some facts, it's good for you. So the next website that I want to recommend to visit is investing.com. This is the similar as DailyFX, but for me DailyFX is much better, faster, more articles often, etc. But the good thing is you can see Forex opinion analysis here together with market news, and this is the very good. And the good thing is, for example, I'm only euro-dollar trader. You can just check euro-dollar and you will see euro-dollar news, the news correlated with that. You just see the Katie Lane, she published for investing.com and a lot of websites in the Forex space. So the good thing is you can classify the news, you can sometimes point what you need, and for that investing.com is very good. So the next website that I just want to share is FXStreet. The FXStreet website is a typical news website. So you have a lot of latest news. The good thing, they're fast. You see 0 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago. So a lot of news. And sometimes, I like this website, sometimes they publish some news that other big websites forget. And this is the good thing. When you want to find something you cannot find on other websites, I'm sure that you will find it here. So sometimes they can really make you happy with information. So the next website is BabyPips. I don't like this when I see this pop-ups and everything. This is the good website. They have everything about trading. Their articles are simple. If you like simplicity, BabyPips is for you. You will get right in the point, no unnecessary introductions, no unnecessary meat in the article. You will get what you need. So if you want to get fast news, crystal news, this is the right moment for you. The good thing is that they have articles based watch list for this or watch list for this currency pair. So if you like to see how some traders make their watch list and what they watch, this website is good for you, and the news are okay. So the next website that I use is a Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha is very good, not just for commodities, cryptos, dividends, stocks, and everything. Can be good for Forex too. The good thing for this website is that majority the news are from stocks industry, and when you want to have some website that will connect forex and stocks industry, that can help you to see correlation between for example US dollar and stocks market or something like that, Seeking Alpha is very good. And you will always have now beside the article, if the article is very fresh, and here you can see the whole financial market, some broad view, and it will be very good. You have ITF stocks, ITF screener, comparison things, and other. Like I said, this is not intended to be Forex website, but it's good when you want to make a relation between a stocks and Forex market. ForexLive, I do not use very often this website. Sometimes I just visit that. They're not so fresh, so you will have one article, maybe another article tomorrow. So they're just a small website, but that article they publish maybe one per day can be very good because they do a lot of technical news, and they very often like to publish the news and talk about price. And it's not very common. Usually news is about fundamental things but don't talk about price. But here they talk about fundamental things and then talk about price of US dollar, price of currency, price of a lot of things, and a lot of assets. And because of that, ForexLive can be interesting, particularly if you're looking the good ratio of fundamental and technical analysis. And now we're going to FX Empire. This is good website too. The good things that I like to visit here is not the news. I like forecasts from their analysts. They talk about Nasdaq, Euro dollar, British pound dollar, silver, gold, everything, and it's a good when you want to connect the news from one other side and on another side to see forecasts from the analysts. And this website is good for that, if you're interested, of course. Forex Crunch. This is the typical Forex news. The good thing, particularly you don't have a stocks and commodities, a lot of things, just particularly Forex. And this is good if you want just to know about Forex. Majority of the articles are technically oriented, and there is a more tactical analysis than fundamental analysis. So If you like that kind of articles, today the support price is this, today resistance price is this, and more technical, less fundamental analysis, but correlated with news and everything, this website is for you. The MarketWatch, this is the next few websites that I do not use anymore so much because they're not so forex oriented, but it's good to know that they exist. Is a website that publish very often, MarketWatch, about if you want to know a lot about US dollar, this website is for you. So here you have a lot of articles about US budget, US debt, US dollar, where will dollar go, should we go here, should we go down, up. MarketWatch is for you. And now the last few are the big brands, big websites like Reuters. Here you have a Reuters.com/markets, and they will talk about markets and everything, but you can choose here from this markets board currencies and only read about currencies. It's a Reuters.com/markets/currencies, and here you can read a lot articles about that. I don't like these pop-ups here, like I said. Let's go to see other websites. And last three websites, like I said, big brands, Bloomberg. Here you can watch maybe what's happened in America, in several fronts related to currencies. I like this website sometimes because it's a big, and you will get sometimes longer articles, etc. But usually in practice, I prefer, like I said, DailyFX and other websites because I don't like these big brands. They're so broad, and sometimes I need just particularly Forex market. And there is one website, FT.com currencies. This is not so big, so good website, but the good thing, you will have one or two interesting articles per day. You should read it. Good articles, good way of think and everything. But the problem is that you need to subscribe to unlock this article, etc. So I would just skip it. It's not they should pay for articles, but just to know that this exists. And last but not the worst is the Yahoo Finance. Like I said, I do not use a lot. Maybe for screening I like to use, because I can screen very good a lot of currency pairs and see last price change, see very fast the chart, but everything you can do on our website. Like I said, here you can see in the markets there is a currencies, and here, like I said, you will have a table, and below that table you will see some important news related to currencies. It's not so often Yahoo News is not so oriented on the forex market, but sometimes you can read some deep article about some matter, and sometimes you can find maybe some interesting fact why price up or down. So it's good to visit, check and see. So this is my recommendations about best forex news websites. I hope that you like this video, and this is all. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.